Hi you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I've kind of lost my voice a little bit, but hopefully it shouldn't affect this too much. You can still pretty much understand me for the most part. I have no makeup on, as you can see, and that's because for today's video, we're going to be doing the Allure box for the month of July with a twist. So I'm actually going to go ahead and put this headband on, which is the one I got from Peter Thomas Roth in my most recent gratis video. And we are going to do a mask. I have a hair mask in as well. I put on right before this. And so we are going to get into business. I'm going to do the Glam Glow Super Mud Mask. I have a bunch of these little foil packets and I'm trying to clean up my collection a bit. So I'm going through like the small stuff and trying to use it up. So we're going to open this up. This has glycolic, salicylic, lactic, mandelic, pyruvic, and tartaric acid, charcoal, and K17 clay. And it's supposed to clear up the skin. I have a couple of friends going on, so that's where I'm going to put the majority of the mask. And then in my T-zone a bit. So just like a spot treatment over here. And then where I break out otherwise. Or like get big pores. This is the Real Techniques Essential Foundation Brush. This is the brush that I use to paint all of my masks on. Every mask that I have. And I just go right over my nose ring so I can cover everything. And then I'll just wash it off later. I break out on my chin a lot too. And kind of over it here. And then if I have anything extra after, I'll put a little bit on my forehead, but I don't break out there very much, rarely. And there's a little bit in here. You can smear it. Alrighty. I think we did good. So let's go ahead and let's go and do this unboxing. I got this mask all over my desk. Okay. So for the Allure month for the box of July, the Allure box for the month of July, let's see what we got. I have like glanced through this, but I haven't opened anything yet. I look like I'm like bald because of the background. But on the front, it looks like this. And it just has the products inside. It doesn't really say a theme. So I don't know. Let's see here. First things first, I got an email today saying that they were giving us like an extra little thing in the box this month. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. It says Beauty Loot, Allure Beauty Box. Thank you. We hope you enjoy this special gift. It's totally separate from your regular beauty box and our way of showing how much we appreciate having you as a loyal member, which is ironic because I just canceled it. But not really. Like I canceled my regular box and signed up again because I wanted the Allure oil. And not the Allure oil, the Sunday Riley oil, the CEO oil, because I got, if you remember, I got that in the January box, my first box. That was the reason I ordered it. And I really like it. I've been using it every day since I got it. And it's really helped my face during the daytime. I can't use a vitamin C serum. It breaks me out really bad. But the oil doesn't break me out at all. Like these are just hormonal breakouts. So it's like really helping me out. So in this comes with this NCLA nail polish and Call My Agent, which I'm pretty sure I already have. Yes, I can see it from here. So that, I mean, I like it though, and I've worn it, so it's nice to have that, but I might still give it away because I have a lot of nail polish and I'm not gonna probably go through it before it goes bad. So I'm gonna set that aside and probably give it to my sister or my mom. My mom really likes things like that. And then it comes with a Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelette. It's a one makeup wipe. I don't care for this like crazy. I have this already, like packages of it. They right here actually. They dry out really easily and they're not that wet to begin with. So not my favorite, but I might leave it in my car for like an emergency. Okay, and then last but not least is Needles No More, No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel from Dr. Brandt. It's just a little mini. It's their #1. It's like one of their top selling products. And it's a eye cream. So we shall see. And let's get into the actual box. So outside of it, there's this thing. It says CGX NYC, the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. Volume, Refresh, and Hold. Dry shampoo meets hairspray. I have been actually using dry shampoo more than ever. I've switched to this new kind of like routine of washing my hair where I'm not washing it as much. So on the last day that I actually wash my hair, I don't wash my hair until the nighttime. I usually need dry shampoo. So this would be nice. It says it absorbs oil but still gives a soft hold. I wonder if it smells good. I can't smell anything but this mask. So let's see, read about that. Is it not in here? Oh, it's on the back. It just says the Do It All Dry Shampoo meets hairspray. It doesn't say anything about it. Interesting. Next, there's a little card. It says Bubble Bar, $20 gift. So this is a one-time use code though, so I can't give it to you. Well, it's a $20 gift for Bubble Bar. That's nice though. So, oh, there's more. There's like promo codes for different like clothing. I'm not interested. We're gonna move on. Okay, so let's go ahead. So the box this month is green. I mean, the bag is green. We've gotten black, white, red, clear, orange, and now green. This is like the orange bag in that it doesn't snap. It has this little thing here. So let's go ahead and get into it. First thing that I pull out is from Floss, and it says Yule on the end. Oh, it's my new favorite lip gloss. I guess the shade is YUL Yule. Let's open it and see. I can put a gloss on. I hope my voice isn't too annoying to you guys. Oh, it's like, oh, interesting. You can see it. It looks like a light pink color. I very faintly smell something sweet through this mask. Oh, it's just a clear. It feels good though. It's really lightweight and it's not sticky at all. It feels really good. Okay, let's see. Floss, my new favorite lip gloss. It retails for $16 and you can get it at flosscosmetics.com. And you can use the code Allure15 at checkout to get 15% off through September 30th. So you have a really long time to use this. So, and the tube, you can squeeze it so you can make sure you get all of it out. So that's really nice. I really like this. I'm gonna wear it more and see how it does. Like if it wears off really easily. I hope not. The next thing is actually wrapped in a silicone or like a plastic wrap. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get it open without like scissors or something. Oh, I have tweezers here. It says it's the brand Avene or O-Thermal. It's thermal spring water. So I guess this is like that. We have something similar to this at Sephora because the ingredients on this are just water and nitrogen. So it's literally just a liquid water. So it's basically a refresher. And it feels like a lot in there though. It says it's a hydrating facial mist. It retails for $18.50. And you can get it at Avene, A-V-E-N-E, USA.com. And you can enter the code Allure20 at checkout to get 20% off until August 31st. So that's nice. I want to spray it, but I have like this mask on, so it's literally just water. But, okay. Anyways, I think that's good. I like doing things like that when my face, like my makeup feels really dry. Like I have learned that I have like dry combination skin. And so like my nose gets really oily and right in here, but everything else is just like begging for life. And so that's going to be really helpful for me when I do my makeup and it's feeling really dry to just refresh it. The next thing is a brand that a lot of people know. It's the Moroccan Oil Treatment for all hair types. It's silicone-based oil, so even if you put too much, it doesn't feel greasy. You can put it in when your hair is damp, and it helps with flyaways and frizz. Or you can do it after blow drying to the ends to give more hydration. It retails for $44 the full size, and you can get it on Sephora.com. We have this. So that'll be pretty interesting to try. I like to put oil in my hair because it does help the frizz, but I don't know about that oil. But anyways, next, it says Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. This could not come at a better time because the current one that I use during the day, I'm almost out of. My Drunk Elephant Vitamin C Eye Cream. I can't remember what it's called. I love it though. And this is also a vitamin C eye cream, so that's exciting. And this feels like full size. I want to look it up and see because it's a pretty good size for an eye cream. Nothing else I don't think so far has been full size except for that nail polish, which was an extra. But it says it retails for $35 on contextskin.com, and you can enter the code Allure25 at checkout to get 25% off your entire order through August 1st. So that's not too long away. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, this is a full size. That's crazy. So this is a $35 value in the box. In your first box, it's $10 a month, and after that, it's $15 a month. So this is pretty cool. I'm excited to try this. Nice. That's my daytime eye cream. I have a different one for nighttime that I'm also almost out of. So isn't that just lovely? Next is the last product in here that I'm pretty sure I can't use. It's an eyebrow pencil in the shade medium brown. If you've been watching me for a long time, we've gotten a couple products from this brand, the Brow Gal. I have gotten a brow powder actually that I really like. So we've gotten the Brow Gal powder, which I really like. You can see I made quite a dent in these two. And we've also gotten this, the Brow Gal gel in Brown Hair 02, which is actually too dark for me. And this is in medium brown 04, so this is definitely going to be too dark for me. I can use that other one if my brows are looking a little bit light. But this is definitely going to be, yeah, this is way too dark. So this is going to go to my sister because I cannot pull off that dark color with my light brows. So, that though, let's see. It has a spoolie on one end and a sharpener on the other. So like the cap is a sharpener. So which is kind of interesting. The spoolie is very thick. My sister can leave that in her car now. She's always talking about how she needs a spoolie. It retails for $23, and you can get it at thebrowgal.com. Enter the code Allure19 at checkout to get 10% off your order through August 31st. I really recommend getting the, I mean, this pencil felt nice and creamy and light. Like, looking, it didn't look like super dark. Like, you know what I mean, like super pigmented. But I would recommend the powder because that's phenomenal, and there's 3 shades in there, so I mixed 2 of them to get my shade, and it works really well. So, and there's a darker shade as well in there. Alrighty, so this box, I was pretty pleased with. This gloss feels really good, and it still looks really glossy. It kind of reminds me of the Kopari Coconut Gloss, but a little bit more lightweight. I'm pretty excited for a lot of this stuff. This one is special. So the gloss, the eye cream is full size, and the gloss is full size, I'm assuming. So that alone is more than the cost of the box, each of them, because the gloss is a $16 value, and the eye cream is $35. So that's a good deal there. And then the hair oil should be interesting. And this dry texture spray, I'm also excited to see how that does. Spring water, and then everything else I believe was just extra goodies. So I'm pretty excited though to see how everything does. Did you get this box? I know that there are a couple different variations, of course. I'm so excited for next month. Did I say July at the beginning of this? It's June's box. We're still in June. My mind is in July. Today is like the end of June and I'm just not here. But regardless, I'm pretty excited for July because I know 2 of the things we're getting, they're full size. They are freaking amazing. I'm so freaking hyped. Okay, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to go wash this mask off now that it's dried and take care of this hair mask as well. Leave a comment down below if you got this box or if you have a better box that you like. I also do BOXYCHARM. So if you like BOXYCHARM, go check out those videos. BOXYCHARM is amazing too, especially this month's box. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!